Another mistake to avoid, think about or be aware about the danger zone, because if we are going to the external oblique line, to the retromolar area where we are usually harvesting the bone, that's a wonderful area where we can collect a lot of bone. You see it here, you see really the nice balcony, I can say. And this makes, of course, the harvesting part much easier. So when you're going more to the ramus, you have to be aware that here the nerve is more superficial. Many people are talking about ramus graft, but indeed, so the ramus is not the area where we are collecting our bone, but the retromolar area. So be aware that you're not going, especially as a beginner, not too far into the ramus. So that's why I showed it here in red. Now you see this circle on the side, and we are calling this the danger zone. And this is the only area where we are close to the ramus, where theoretically we could come close to the nerve. In this area, I would rather recommend you, when you are doing your incisions, not sink it deeper than 1.5 to 2 millimeter. Doesn't matter if you're working with a disc, with a microsaw, or piezo surgery. No need to sink it deeper than 1.5 to 2 millimeter to create so-called predetermined breaking lines. And this is enough to take out the block.